Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to properly clean out your fridge. Really, it's not properly, just the way that I clean out my fridge. So I'm basically going to be disinfecting it. I did do a little bit of light grocery shopping today. So I'm going to add the new, excuse me, I'm hoarse. I'm going to add the new groceries in. Okay, you guys, so stay tuned, and if you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe below and make sure that you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Okay, you guys, so these are the products that I am going to be using to clean out the fridge. I got the Lysol wipes, and then I got the Mr. Clean or Clean Freak to clean it out, and just some napkins. I know some people use some gloves on theirs, but I'm not going to use no gloves because guess what, baby? It's COVID. Okay, I need all this Lysol I can get on my hands. And I'm just playing though. But for real though, I just don't use gloves when I clean up unless it's the bathroom. So this is my fridge right now. It is a little bit messy. Things are out of order. Things are out of place. So with the new week coming back in, I'm going to put it back in order. I don't want to have a dirty fridge coming up the new week. Especially not starting out the new year either. And I'm sorry I'm breathing so hard, y'all. Like, my asthma has been kicking up this season. So, excuse me with the heavy breathing on everything. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this part. I just wanted to show you guys what the fridge looks like at this point. So the first thing you're going to want to do is just go ahead and clean out the fridge of all of the things that you don't want. I had cooked salmon not too long ago, and so it's reeking up the fridge. I had to throw it in the trash. Take everything that you want out and put it in the trash. Just separate it. Put it in the trash if it needs to go in the trash. Keep it if you need to keep it. That way, you know what you're doing. You can have clear vision, tunnel vision, okay? All right, guys. So do that part, and then we'll head into the next step. So here are these bins that I had took out just a second ago that I showed you guys. These, I keep my fruit and sometimes my vegetables in these, the ones that's like quick to grab or I cook with a lot. And so I'm just gonna wash those out with just some dish soap and water. I'm just spraying a little bit of the Clean Freak or whatever it was called into the fridge. Just a little bit. I don't do a lot because, like I said, it is in the fridge. Yeah, and you know those are chemicals. So I just spray just a little bit, maybe like 2 squirts on a shelf or whatever, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it down. Oh, and I meant to tell y'all, I did end up running out of napkins. I didn't feel like running across the store to go get some, so I ended up using a new sponge. Don't use your dish sponge, use a new sponge. So these are the final results of the fridge. Muy bonito. I outdid myself this time. It looks beautiful. It looks brand new. It looks clean. Yeah, it just looks good. I hope y'all's is coming out good too. Organize it, do it however you like it, and then just take it from there. We're gonna keep our fridge up all 2021. Okay, y'all, so I promise that y'all are almost done. The last thing you want to do is grab them Lysol wipes. You're going to wipe down the outside of the fridge, because what is it? COVID is going around, and you want to, that's the main places that you be touching, and you want to just keep it clean, keep it wiped down. Any grease that might be popping on the side from cooking your chicken or anything like that, you definitely just want to wipe everything down. And then that's pretty much it. And then that is the end, you guys. And I hope that your results come out good. Stay tuned to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below.